Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Discord account in mobile. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and basically we're going to walk you through how it's done. Go to the discordapp.com and then click open Discord in your browser or in your phone, and then pick a username and click the arrow and then complete the captcha to confirm that you are a human. A pop-up will appear and give you the option to create a new server. Click skip, enter your email address and pick a password. Click claim account, and then a pop-up will appear with a download link for the Discord desktop application. Discord works in in your browser as a desktop app and in mobile apps as well. So check your email for confirmation email, and it will contain a link that will verify your email and complete the account creation process, and then join the Metafi's Discord server at discord.mfy.gg. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.